What are you making, Sloan?
Um, um, brownies.
Brownies. We're making healthy brownies. We use applesauce and olive oil, Lily's chocolate chips, and gluten-free flour. So this is gonna be our first. This is gonna be our first time making it in the Ninja Crispi. So hopefully it bakes good, but we shall see. You can't have it yet, Dutton. It's gotta bake. Okay.
It has to bake.
No, we can't. We can't eat it yet. Wait, it's gotta bake. No, we gotta bake it. Okay? I don't have any yet. We'll taste try in a little bit. Try some? Okay, take your passy out. Oh, is that so yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, my turn. You did good. Here's what it looks like. I love the Ninja Crispi, and I love that I can mix everything, and I can also store because they came with lids. So literally no mess at all. We are going to bake for 4 to 5 minutes. So start.
It's not to meet you. Yeah, what is that, Dutton?
They definitely turned out gooey. We added some ice cream. Sloan, you want to try some? Okay, take a bite. Is it good?
Yeah.
Dutton, you ready to try some?
Why are you smiling?
You don't want any? I gotta help you. Okay. Oh, that is so good.
Yeah, it's so good. This is so good.